it's me. And guess I have a mask on. I'm with my babysitter right now. And today we are playing with a Kiromi type of slime with my baby shutter Shanice. Hello. Oop.
Wow, this is so cool.
I know.
You got your water? Bring your water over here for us.
And this is Melody. And this is Kiromi. Can you do a little intro before and when I get water?
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Today we are playing with Connect Sand. Oh, thank you, honey bun. Where's yours at? I meant your drink, not mine.
I'm gonna get it.
Thank you for getting mine.
You can introduce the character.
Say that one more time.
You can introduce the characters. I'll bring Hello Kitty down.
Okay. Hello, Kitty. Oh, you made this? You're gonna have to rest. You're gonna have to relax in a little bit.
I'm gonna paint it.
We gotta get you better,
I
girl.
painted it.
That's awesome.
I didn't make it, I painted it.
You gotta mold something with this.
So we are going to make a dreamland.
Your dreamland. This is like amazing to me. This is like so fun to me.
A dreamland for only girls.
Yes.
Okay, oh, hold on. And yes, guys, I'm still sick.
But we are working on getting Anaya to feel better. Ain't that right?
Yep. We have to like spread it all around. And I think I bought this at Five Below.
That's awesome. You okay, honey bun?
I'm alright. I'm really trying to like get a new pair of water because I can't find mine.
You lost your water bottle?
I guess.
How? We just had it.
My poor cough. Is it here?
Yeah, that's so weird. I'm trying to fill this whole thing for us.
Mm.
Ooh.
Oh, come on.
I know, we're right there.
I wish the slime, I wish this kinetic sand, I guess. Kinetic and Hello Kitty sand would work. This video might be too long for you guys. So I guess we're gonna make a part 2.
Part 2 coming.
Oh geez.
Oh, we're right there.
Okay.
We're right there, girl.
I'm just gonna make a little line across this.
That was great.
I'm gonna we're almost there. And we're done.
Yes. High five. That was awesome. We got it to go that far.
Okay, wait until part 2, guys.